love to give.
I bet you do.
All right, let's go.
No, I'm not going. Get out of the car.
I can't. It's locked back here.
No, it's not. It's open. It's not even child locks.
I can't open it for some reason.
How are you?
You must have the child safety lock on here.
Pull the handle.
I don't know how to do that.
Oh my god.
Hold on, I'm freaking the fuck out, man. Get me out of here. Oh my god. Oh my god, I was freaking out and starting to get claustrophobic. What does that have to do with claustrophobia? Nothing.
Gotta go.
Alright, follow him. If he wants. I want to know if he's gonna go help out those fucking idiots. We lost him. It's fine. We could order more shit.